Charity,
Yes.
our vehicle comes with a real warranty.
Okay.
A warranty that covers most of the components of that vehicle, most of the mechanical workings of that vehicle. And that warranty is good anywhere in the U.S. or Canada. All right, our vehicle comes with a price guarantee. If you find a similar vehicle with the same benefits anywhere else in this country, advertise for a lower price within 5 days, just show us the website. We'll cut you a check back for the difference. And yes, that policy is in writing. We have a policy that allows you to bring the vehicle back and exchange it for another, which means you can't get stuck with the wrong vehicle. We give you 3 days to try it out, okay? And there are 2 conditions. We ask that you don't put more than 300 additional miles on the odometer. We ask that you don't run into anything because you need to bring it back in the same condition, okay? Now, we're also going to provide you a oil change on us. So instead of you paying $75 or $80 for your first oil change, we will pay that for you. And we do that to show you how cool our service department is.
Great.
There's a lot of other cool things that come with a MotorTrend certified vehicle, but number one, rest assured it's a better vehicle because of the inspection and the reconditioning process. Now, what time can you be here today? We have openings at 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay? These will help you set appointments.
Okay.
Cool?
Perfect.
I'll make sure